A rocking chair is a type of chair with two curved bands, or rockers, attached to the bottom of the legs. This design allows the chair to rock back and forth in a soothing motion. Rocking chairs are often used for relaxation, such as reading a book or calming a baby to sleep. They come in various styles and materials, offering comfort and a gentle swaying motion. There are several reasons why people may choose to use rocking chairs. The most popular reason is for comfort and relaxation. Rocking chairs provide a soothing and gentle rocking motion that can help relax and calm the body and mind. The rhythmic movement can be particularly beneficial for individuals seeking stress relief or looking to unwind after a long day. Regarding design types, there are several of them to choose from. If you are interested in making a luxurious contemporary rocking chair, keep on watching to see some ideas we have compiled for you. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of luxurious wooden rocking chair design ideas for classic interiors. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Improved posture is another benefit you can get from a rocking chair. Sitting in a rocking chair can encourage proper posture as it naturally supports the spine's natural curves. The rocking motion also engages core muscles, promoting a more active sitting position compared to traditional chairs. They can also be used for nursing and soothing babies. Rocking chairs have long been associated with nursing and soothing babies. The gentle rocking motion can help lull infants to sleep, provide comfort during feeding sessions, and create a bonding experience between parent and child. Rocking chairs can be especially beneficial for the elderly or individuals with limited mobility. The rocking motion can help improve circulation, reduce swelling in the legs and feet, and alleviate discomfort caused by sitting for extended periods. Reading or watching television become more interesting when you sit on a rocking chair. Many people find rocking chairs to be a comfortable spot for reading books or watching television. The gentle movement can enhance relaxation and make these activities more enjoyable. You can also use rocking chairs as decorative items since they are aesthetically appealing. Rocking chairs can serve as decorative pieces, adding charm and character to living spaces. They come in various styles, materials, and designs, allowing individuals to choose options that complement their home decor. Rocking chairs can also have some health benefits, such as giving pain relief for those in need. Rocking chairs can provide relief from certain types of pain, such as back pain or arthritis. The rocking motion can help to alleviate stiffness and promote blood flow, reducing discomfort and promoting healing. Some individuals find that the rocking motion of a rocking chair can improve their focus and concentration, thus increasing their productivity and hence, making rocking chairs suitable choices for workspaces or home offices. The movement can stimulate the brain and help individuals stay alert and engaged. The gentle rocking motion of a rocking chair can create a calming and meditative environment, making it a popular choice for individuals practicing meditation or mindfulness. The rhythmic movement can help to focus the mind and enhance relaxation. Rocking chairs are also great tools for socializing and bonding. This is because rocking chairs can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. making them a perfect spot for socializing and spending quality time with friends and family. The comfortable seating encourages conversation and connection. Overall, rocking chairs offer a unique combination of comfort, relaxation, and functionality, making them a popular choice for many people. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked luxurious wooden rocking chair design ideas for classic interiors. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.